Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to operate two motor from three-phase wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Double pole MCB, magnetic contactor 1 and 2, motor 1 and 2. Switch 1, 2 and switch 3. Phase connection to double pole MCB. Neutral connection to double pole MCB. Phase connection outgoing from double pole MCB to magnetic contactor 1 and 2. Phase connection outgoing from contactor to motor 1. Another phase connection outgoing from contactor 2 to motor 2. Neutral connection connected to magnetic contactor 1 and 2 L2 terminal. Neutral connection connected to magnetic contactor 1 coil connection. Neutral connection connected to magnetic contactor 2 coil connection. Neutral connection from contactor 1 to motor 1. Neutral connection from contactor 2 to motor 2. Phase connection to switch 2. Phase connection from switch 2 to switch 1. Phase connection from switch 1 to magnetic contactor coil connection. Phase connection between switch 2 and 3. Phase connection outgoing from switch 3 common terminal to connect with magnetic contactor 1 coil connection. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.